Good afternoon, I'm Sean Taylor with Silver Creek Realty Group, and I wanted to welcome you to 2969 West Margell Court in Kuna. This is in the coveted Silver Trail community. It's on a corner lot, single level with a bonus room upstairs, and it's also on a cul-de-sac. You could stretch that fence up if you wanted to. Notice that the owners have perimeter bark around the foundation, which is great. Should prevent water entry into the crawl space. Also, there's a nice gentle grade away from the house, which is good. This home is 3-bedroom, 2-bath with an upstairs bonus room. It's very spacious, and of course, the nice 3-car garage. Great flat work out here, that means the concrete. And kind of cool and old-fashioned is you have your own mailbox. Very neutral paint colors. Rain gutters around the entry point here. Notice that you also have the accent brick here around the flower beds, which is just nice little pride of ownership stuff. And a nice white entry coming into the home. Let's go inside and take a look. I like the color of this door too. Very pretty. Very neutral colors on this home. Okay, we're gonna head inside, and again, I just love the coloring out here. We got 3 different tones of paint out here, very neutral, the beautiful blue door. And we'll head inside. I love this floor plan. It's called the Capri with bonus. And when you walk in, you'll notice you have a very designated entryway with recessed can lighting. Architecturally, they kind of have this cut out here. Place to sit down, have a little table over here if you wanted to, a mirror and hutch. Off to our immediate right, we have 2 bedrooms. This is a nearly perfect floor plan, really, because you've got 2 bedrooms off of the entry. This could easily be an office as well. Good size. I think this bed is a double. General closet there with a slider, saves space. Still plenty of room on the sides here for additional, what do you want to call it, end tables or dressers or whatever. Custom blinds in the house. Nice doors, modern. You have a linen closet here and vinyl flooring in the guest bath. Nice tall vanity. Pretty high window count in this house also. Notice that they've got the sills on all of them as well, instead of just being sheetrocked. Shower tub combo. And the next bedroom over here. Decent size. This bedroom is facing west. And now we're going to enter. You got the vinyl, or I'm sorry, the laminate flooring in here. And I like to see carpet runners, just means the owners are taking good care of their flooring. You have a coat closet right here. And off to our left, we have the laundry space with a folding table. Additional storage there. Attic access point. And your huge, open, light and bright family room. Now these are custom blinds, so these will come down and then a top will come down, and you'll see them in the photos where it has the privacy on there, but you're letting all the light in, which is pretty awesome. Then you have the big kitchen here, white cabinets, tech space right here on the right, my right. Modern family, that's pretty great to have. Put your laptop there just like these owners are doing. In the kitchen here, you have the nice deep sink with the stainless steel faucet and the Culver sink, Frigidaire appliances, full tile backsplash, kind of the subway tile look there. GFI protected, and you've got the poles on it. And this does have the very cool soft close. Did you see that? I love that. And you have a nice big pantry here. Room for all of your goodies. Nice, quite a bit of cabinet space. Nice sized dining space here. I love that there's a transom window in here. It just pulls an extra light. And again, custom blinds in this area and in the master. Now notice this is a huge couch, and it fits in this family room just fine. So I'm pretty sure just about anybody's furniture would fit well in this room. And you've got a ceiling fan in here. I'll go ahead and take you outside real quick before I take you over to the master. You got the somewhat covered back patio here. Got some privacy arborvitae that have been planted here. Full vinyl fencing, full landscaping. Sorry, the landscaper's coming today to cut the grass. Got the flower bed area, or what do you call that? They've got mulch around the perimeter of the house. Got a nice slope away from the house. This area you can put your garden beds, or if you want to add a storage shed, it's kind of ready to do whatever you want to do with it. The current owners weren't quite sure what they wanted to do with that area, so they just held off on it. It's always a good idea to keep grass away from the foundation, and that's what these owners have done here. Very smart. And this has a garage door here, but obviously you could change that out if you wanted to. One more thing in this room that's kind of cool, and this door has the built-in shades in the door, which is kind of cool. This is an example of what I was talking about with the blinds, is that you can pull that down and you've got the privacy there and you can still see through it. It just brings in a lot of light. So now I'm going to walk over to the master here, or my photographer's here, taking professional photos right now. Here's the master. This is a king size bed, and look at how much space you still have over here on the sides. Plenty of room in here. Big windows in here. Big window, I should say. Room for any size dresser, I would think. And again, you got the custom blinds in here, which is great. And master bath with the vinyl flooring. Raised vanity with his and her sinks. Kind of the chrome faucets here. Kind of the mini subway tile finish in there. Nice high lights in there. I like the shower that's got a double curtain here, which is just, can't say I've seen that very often. Pretty neat. And you've got the garden soaker tub here. Combination with a window. It's always nice to have a window in the shower. Let moisture out, get some fresh air in there. Doesn't make your fan work quite as hard. You have the open shelving concept in here. Nice big walk-in closet with some built-ins as well. And this is kind of a neat feature. You got the little Harry Potter room down here. Just a little extra storage space underneath the stairs basically, and then here's your crawl space access point. And you have a private commode. I know it's funny that I knocked, but that would be a unwanted addition to the video today. So from here, we will head up the stairs. Up the stairs now. Notice that there's a cap on here. Some builders will just do a drywall cap. This one's finished out. Lots of light up here. Big room. Current owners would put a mattress or a queen bed out here. They could have people stay here. You have the grandkids up here. Whatever you want to use this room for. You could do a pool table if you wanted to. It's a nice light and bright space. You can use it for almost anything. It's also on the north side of the house, so it should stay a little bit cooler. And I think that pretty much concludes the tour. Haven't shown you the garage, but it is a 3-car garage and does have a water softener as well. So thank you for visiting with me. If you have any additional questions, you can contact me at 208-340-0000. Have your agent reach out to me and we'll see what we can do to answer any of your questions. Bye-bye.